Strong thunderstorms are impacting a good chunk of the area right now, including Metro Richmond. There could be some damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour or more. We certainly have seen at least numerous gusts of 30 to 40 right now in the city. The warning has been dropped on the west side of town as this storm system, this cluster of storms, moving to the east side of town, but still downtown right now. Raining pretty good here at the station. Torrential rain and frequent lightning with those wind gusts headed to the east, and you can see these are severe thunderstorm warnings in effect off to the east of Richmond. Also back to the west in Buckingham County, still have a severe thunderstorm warning there. All of these storms are going to be producing some torrential rain, and again the threat of those damaging wind gusts. A closer look here from the city northeast up 360 into Mechanicsville. You go up towards Ashcake and just east of Greentop on 95, going out into parts of King William County as well. On the south side through northern and central Chesterfield, the rain coming down at a pretty good clip. Once you get south of Chester, things are pretty quiet right now, but you folks might be dealing with some of that rain as well. These are some of the rainfall estimates from Doppler radar as the storms have come on through, up to about an inch of rain in a very short period of time. So there could be some localized flooding on some roads out there. There's the big picture. Right now, Northern Neck, Middle Peninsula, things are pretty quiet, but you folks are in this severe thunderstorm watch that is in yellow. That goes until 11 o'clock tonight. And also south, the Tri-Cities are quiet, but another batch of storms developing to your southwest, likely coming into your neighborhood as we go through the evening. This is all due to a cool front that is out to our west, triggering these storms as a result of all the warm, muggy air that's in place. Once that front comes through later tonight, the humidity will drop off, the temperatures will as well, and will begin to cool down. But these storms, again, producing torrential rain. Strong winds are the main severe weather threat right now, but there's the possibility one or two could have quarter-size hail, and we can't completely rule out a little spin up or an isolated tornado. I'll especially be watching that this evening for folks on the Northern Neck and the Middle Peninsula. Right now in Richmond, 89 degrees. The rain has started at the airport, coming down still at a really good clip here downtown. The dew point up at 70, so we're just kind of squeezing all that moisture out of the atmosphere. Overnight, upper 60s to around 70, some lower 60s to the northwest as drier air comes in. A little breezy at times tomorrow, and temperatures in the low to mid 80s with the humidity dropping off as well. As we go through the week, we start out pretty comfortable, but the heat and humidity, as you might expect this time of the year, comes back. Upper 90s possible on Thursday. Another front could bring some storms and bring us back into the 80s going into the weekend. But for the evening, the storms roll on by to the east. Things are pretty quiet for tomorrow, and as we go into Tuesday, it stays dry. A little system to our north does not impact the region. We'll wait until Thursday for our next best rain chances. So these storms severe at times this evening, so please stay in. If you see threatening weather, seek shelter immediately if you are outside. Some strong winds, heavy rain, frequent lightning. Temperatures overnight, upper 60s in town, low to mid 60s to the northwest. Will dry out overnight. Humidity drops for tomorrow, and temperatures in the mid 80s for tomorrow with that breeze out of the north and northwest. Another good day coming up on Tuesday. Wednesday, the heat builds back in. So does the humidity. Real hot, muggy day on Thursday with some more scattered storms that will continue into Friday. But right now, it looks like we'll have a pretty decent weekend with a mixture of sunshine and clouds and temperatures back into the 80s.